well and everything. Very. You go enter your house, very good there. Who currently carry you go Frank Victor? Made the swell locator to the end of this year. Anything where the person they find, the person not go see her.
I'm choosing.
Yes, you are choosing. So my people, you see, February this year. My explain what happened.
Bless TV.
February this year, on the 16th. You know.
February.
On the February 16th.
Of this year.
Because people, most of the talk say now, songs. Rita like what Rita they claim now say now songs where it promote us. Now with the cross say copyright day. My dear sister, never. Not be that song. Who the song where you take promote? The time when I do promotion for my wife, that one 2 years ago. You don't even eat the money. You don't forget about the video and everything. You don't forget about the songs where you do 2 years ago. Everybody don't say since last year around August till this first time. Everybody know Rita, you were not sharing our. Rita was not sharing our video.
Anything about us.
It was not playing.
Yeah.
The reason why you not do am best not to me. I be say I not go talk am, but after that video today, where she do, I go talk the reason why. Now she fell hate us.
Make them see your face. I beg. It's good. I wanna Google. I beg her.
Yeah. Now she fell hate us. You were not playing that song, my sister, and it was not that those videos, those copyright. And what did be copyright? I happy say. Few days ago, where this copyright something they happen. I was with the video and the rest. I can't just put that live video where you they watch. You call the watcher. Then they call the land say, now the video say, oh my motherland. Oh, I pray make the thing grow up and everything. He say our songs our song are strike. The copyright where they shout put now, when they talk put now, not be strike. Somebody where get songs, where don't leave songs for 5, 6, 7 years, make una they play. He can't choose to say okay, make you see the end revenue. What will be this revenue? There is no live video presenter where you will be say, you just come and say, if they do live video for 1 full month, that 1 full month, or a live video say you must play your song. In one day. No. Maybe if you do 50 video in a month, you go play your song 2 times. And each of those video wait for play your song. If you do make money, let's say you want to make money, you make 50 euro. 50 euro, 40%, how much are we talking about? For person. Not be say he give you strike, he not affect your page, he not do anything. Then Davido song and the rest people song. If you dey play for party, they do now strike they give you warning red. Now red, you go wrong. Come on. So my sister Rita, you say they not reach out to you. Not be only you want to do this video. I don't want to call somebody else that we actually reach out to. Yeah. Tell them say our fans they complain say you they carry our video go they put copyright for your page. Yeah. I beg, not do them again. The person can say, Mama, they don't mind them. Mama, not do them again. Then, when I try to reach you, Rita, you say I not reach you. That was the day I noticed you blocked me after you called me for a favor that I really don't want to talk. Now I tell you, say, you blocked me, Rita. Yes, where is it, Rita? No. I'm going to show the word. No, I don't. No. See? Okay, this is Rita. You see that the Unafi watch her when I write am hi. Now it show say I actually write her to one caller and say, please, what is going on? Why they put copyright for my video? My people, the video where Rita claim. Now that day now I know say not be money, no Damo Jasper. She did beg me for money. Now that day now I know say Rita block us. Then I never tell my woman. I reached out to 2 persons who is close to her, who just called me after I write just now. Say I beg, make I not call their name. Say I reach out to them. When I reach out to one a woman, that one can't put the other guy. Say because they are pally. Now I say see what Rita they do. See what I take claim my video. I want come out on live video. And they try reach him. He blocked me. Now the person say he will feel reach him. Then after 5 days, I reached out to that same person. I feel call the person name before live video ends. Because my body right now, even if the person beg me, they can't wait. The person can say yes, they don't talk. If allow, will just forget. You see, I say many saga they go around now. They go use and they do saga and everything to around. Now that I no say Rita block me. Then after I did that video, when I do why I not call name, I did that video. Everybody know I did that video on the 21 of February. I not call names. I just do as Momuna leave with the Congress. Then on the 19th of March, that's after 1 month. Now I call the and say, Madam Rita, can you release all the video? Rita, how can you be so heartless to do this, my dear? My people, watch this video. This was the live video where we call Saga that time. I had to watch them. Where we take go use all those ladies for poo. For beach. For beach. For your birthday. Before my birthday, for beach. The live video what we do for beach. That live video 2 days was 400,000. Where it calls the whole saga. Where they say they call the saga us. They say why you carry girls way naked. Then they touch in yash and everything. Rita claimed that full video. Jesus. From my page. This not be music. This is not musical. This was a video. This was a video that was done. In my page, yeah. When my 2 women. This was the video. Then that is one. Then see this one. Another of my live video. Another of my live video. See am again. Live video that was done. My own live video.
This one is just full live video.
Full live video. Not be the music.
Not be the music. Normal live video.
Then I for not even know because I don't know how they do copyright. Me don't know anything. My friend was the person who called me. Skimmy, yeah. He said he go call for this live video. See me, yeah, called me. Say, Ebagua, what did happen? This guy Rita just go claim my video when I post that video when you send for me because I record part of the video for that live video. What we do? Give Skimmy call poster for you.
What's your business with video? What's your business with that?
Wait, no.
If you say video, what's your business with that?
Leave her, an idiot. The video, no one now food.
Don't be your headache now.
So Skimmy here called me and said, Rita claim a video. Now I say how? He said as he can't dispute him. He said after about 5 days, he can't release the video for him. Now I say Jesus. Now I tell you, my page FP Entertainment. I never received one for them. We don't even know how they do them. Now so would they carry them copyright? I go do video. I say now my video live video I do. After I do live video finish, I go see red. He go say not be we get video. I go fine. I not fit see until a day when Frank Victor call they analyze. Say if they help people, they do video and they Facebook and everything. This will not be even my wife page. It is my page. Yeah. Now me reach out to her. Say my FP page. See what they happen. All this whole wall and everything. And it goes okay. Make I add them. As I add them, I got to say this page. It go hard. They just often say too much copyright. Now people they claim and everything. That's it. But I don't post people. Now we go search because I say all our video have big claim and everything. I say Jesus Christ. Now say he said that's okay, no problem. That was all. Then when I can't notice all these things, then see this video. What we do? Now my page. Rita, nice to be Dr. Ayemia, he still claim this video. This one not be musical. It is just my personal live video, my sister. My personal live video. Wow. Then after my live video,
wait, wahala not the finish. She said, to my knowledge, copyright is automatic, but you can reach out to the person to release it. I want to ask you one question.
No, leave
wait, live video where person do for a page.
Yes.
Not be say he carry the one where Rita do call them analyzer more.
Yes, my own personal live video.
Anything where Rita don't fair do for her own, is there inside though. No. How can Ayemie copyright go automatically enter in your
my own video?
If not be say you go click and go claim and say na he get am. How you go call say enter?
After I was even thinking it was just those 2 live video. Now she claimed. Until after 1 month. In fact, when I do that video, Rita, my sister, it was after 5 days. Now Tesha say you claim that video. You not release them after that 5 days. You wait until they paid you for that video. You can't begin to the release them. These are all the proof we got to the release them. Now that I come say, I say, I got over 12 release from you, from my own personal live video. We are not talking about the promotion that you did, that God will bless you for. You said you do advert for us. When my wife sing, she put all presenters' name. You were not the only person. They appreciate everybody for that one. This one has nothing to do with music. This is my own personal live video. If I know how they do one.
But
wait now, maybe
this Baba Saga, since they talk about your music was free for some years. We they talk about like if they talk about music.
You have to know that. Not be you have to know that. Not be everybody.
Now we never talk about music now. Now normal live video what person they do we they talk about yes, now.
Wait. So then now conscience say Dr. Rita release your video. Release. I was like, wow. I can't say okay. I want come listen to my talk now. I can't say I want come on live video. You say I not reach out to now. The number that I have was the number I wrote, and it's still here. Hi. Before I reach out to these two persons, and I beg you, these two persons that is close to Rita, that I reached out to that time, I expect both of you now. Beg me just now. May I not call your name to come out and talk. Then this was the high. Now I say and say. She don't block me. I not feel sharp. So I not feel go to find. I don't even take her as anything. I just forget. And that time, we want go to Woman show. Frank, come with say, I want to come out. If the reason why I want to come out, I will say this.
They talk, my love.
After
although you made their own join. More than no verse, this is that. They talk.
Okay. The reason why I wanted to come out to address this issue again for the second time, when I first come out to call her name, was after I do live video, they call the point out to one particular person. They attack that person, saying that person will they talk to. Although I actually went back on TikTok and said I was not speaking to Lolo. It was Lolo. Lolo's name was all over everywhere. After 4 days, both of them, I know, but Lolo was more.
Was okay.
Yes, and I said, I went on TikTok and said, you people are just accusing. I not call anybody. I didn't even call Lolo. The live video I did was not even because of Lolo. I said that on TikTok, and most people carry them, most people don't carry them. Then I therefore I can say, Destiny, if you even come out right now, they call name and everything. You they go do show with them, the woman, you come cost a lot of that. How much for this copyright? Let it go. That was how I forget. And these two persons where I call, where he beg, say they will speak to her and beg, might not do live video. Now so we take forget this whole thing. At least this video where he can't come out right now. This video was talking about now. This video was not done. This video is like 7 months ago, right? I don't know why I be saying that now. And I believe say why he can't be say he can't come out now when my sister Rita can't come out. You say because say my wife called say Frank Vito. Okay, skim me, yeah, good. Add skim me, yes, okay.
Accept.
No, miss skim me. Yes. The reason why he can't even come out now be say now because the control say Frank Vito na be our admin or moment you. For your point of correction, my sister, me or my wife never called Frank Vito to explain anything about copyright or make it come call you. If you call Frank Vito to come and insult you or talk to Frank Vito about carry your matter, go meet her, all the swear where you swear today, make it be followed. So screaming, from my brother. Screaming.
Bro, yeah.
I beg. I remember you were the person who called me about copyright. I beg. What happened? I beg, bro.
Well, first of all, I will first talk about that one. Make a first greet all the people when they do. All of you una good evening. I think the reason why personally I even get interest for this kind of matter now because since I read some comment also from some people here, it's not good make we generalize this thing on the part like say Esther no they appreciate people when they play music or when they share music. That is not what it's actually about. Somebody like Davido, when you talk about just now, Davido is even a more bigger artist. We get a more bigger platform. We get even bigger money. All those people, the way they take copyright their music, you not even feel plan for your Facebook. Me, I love Davido songs. I want to play them for my live Facebook, but I know they feel the plan. Why? Because if I just put them now, Facebook will just write me, they'll just give me red. Now make me know the plan. Even I hardly also play a lot of musicians, except for this Esther, when I still know, say, you know, they get copyright for music. Me, I don't even know now, say copyright, don't even get it. You know, say, they ask you, say, so Esther music don't get copyright now. Me, I did not also know. Even as me and you close reach, you not even reach out to me to even tell me, say, oh, but copyright don't do this music. I don't know whether you understand, because that one every musician write. And even now own self, when a copyright be say, and you go still the earn money, me also I go still the earn money, it not go strike me also from my page. When I carry that your video that time, those 2 days later, Facebook can send me message say, I play, I carry somebody video. I go to say, I take the Ebagua before I even post this video. I even send them to me.
Yes.
Can't go far, can't go. Me not even know how those things say they even they work. Say, I can't call one of my guy. Now the guy can't put me through how to go find out who put copyright and all those things. I go find out saying now that lady. Now I can't call you say, why this lady go put copyright for video we not get? Wait, this say you they collect money, you get video they collect the money. Everybody they want use that collect money. So I can't dispute the video. Really, after some days, it be like say she can't do the something, you know.
Yeah.
Facebook can't tell me say yes, the person don't remove the this thing come out.
Yeah, now you say,
but the
truth,
but the truth of the matter for this matter, my brother, why it always be say we as Benin people, when something they among us, we go just they criticize this thing like say now what a big thing, because all these big stars that we get for Nigeria, all of them they put copyright for their music. I never see say Benin people come out come they discuss about that matter for social media say, oh why? So because say now lady of song now she don't do something bad now to people say she try to also get small dividend for what she suffer also. She not just claim the whole right. She give you but a choice. If you like now you play a Dr. music when you want to start your live video. But if you go YouTube, you want play a lady or song music, may you take enjoy for your parlor. That one a normal free thing. I don't know whether you understand. But once you don't carry and come your live video, you want play. It's a choice something. I like to play Esther music. Make I forgive her 40% because my audience, my fans, they like Esther music. May they take her to enjoy. Not choice. You can also decide not to play. There are so many music where you go fit to do live video. So why the thing can become something now we be say it go come, and even let's even forget music. Why somebody will not get video? You not do live video, not be your live video. You go carry the live video, you go put copyright. Does it make any sense at all? It don't make sense now. Make we just face, make we talk truth at least. You know, say sometimes when people they talk now, people come they feel like say, oh, you want to support your people. No, but make we just be realistic right now. Is it normal? Say video where be say not be you sit down do. If now your video you they put copyright, bravo. That's your property. You can do it the way you want. Nobody will go to complain for you. But if somebody take time to do your video, he not put copyright. Everybody they share this copy. Everybody they share the video. Then they take out they make revenue. You get video sell. No even worry. You will not get video where they not do video for a page. You go carry that video. You go put a red manager for video where you not get. It makes sense.
For my own life,
honest now. And so people go sit there for comment section here. They're going to talk, say, you be ungrateful person, or you be this one.
Now,
let's just face this very issue now where they happen now. Is it right? Say somebody not get video, not do live video. You go carry somebody live video, take out they make money. He can put right manager for that very video. So if you get right manager for your page, when you want to do that, when you want to put somebody else's video, you go offer him for that particular video. You go offer so that it not go affect any other person because it is not your own video. So when you do that kind of thing. Now use yourself, now be the bad person for inside the matter for that very issue now.
Exactly.
You understand?
Okay.
Because it's not fair now.
Excuse me. Okay, excuse me. You see, everybody where they watch, Rita, you are a married woman and I respect you. I'm not going to insult women. I'm not feeling so I'm not going to insult you, but you insulted me today. You do everything, I leave you. But I know the reason why you did angry. Because even when you did do live video, I never comment on live video in the heart. I came to your live video and I told you, my sister, nobody called Frank Victor to report your issue. That alone, reach where you will take believe. But I don't know what you were, or maybe because I talk, say, I will come on live video to come and bring out all the proof. You wanted to come out to play the victim. You wanted to come out to say, oh, as a new ungrateful person. No, now, as a new way, no, ya a live video. Who ya make you go? Mama mi go, who ya with promotion of a sinwa, another moment where. If the reason why you are angry with me or this family, my sister, I want to tell you I'm sorry because actually I know the reason why you're angry. I had to say I'm where you go. So imagine a Frank Victor me. So okay, do we are in again? If I'm we are in here, I go promo when we tell me promotion now. A Frank Victor somewhere and everything. And Rita, the reason why I didn't even bother again after I found out you blocked me, after I reached out to people to reach out to the day you blocked me after 1 week was the day you actually called me, Destiny Ebagua, that your parents were being arrested, that I should go and help you to pay them. And I told you, my sister, please, I don't want to get involved with anything that has to do with social media. I beg you. And that was the day you changed towards this family. You weren't playing our songs anymore. You weren't even sharing our video anymore. You were angry because you called me to go and help you to release your parents from the station. And I told you, I was not even around. And I said, I can't do it. And that was how, whether they're talking and say you change your number, that was how you stop communication with us. You know, now people they talk, say, hey, oh, Frank Victor, they give information. Are you guys okay? They hate anybody enemy. That maybe, so your enemy must be my enemy. I'm not that stupid. Now you want to tell me you want to help me? As big as IFP Entertainment. I'm saying it today. I never chop one another. For years, we never take anything. Person will suffer do live video. You will suffer rest. You they come and record the shot. Now so they your page, they get problem. Songs and everything. Songs where you don't chop for 2 years, 3 years. The time when I do live video, you are delete and come out now. 3 years never reach. You delete and you will rest. But this we're not talking about that songs. We are talking about my own live video. My own live video, Rita. Then you came out and insulted me. Well, you have a husband and you insulted me. I leave you to God. Then I will leave the rest to Lady or Song. And Skinny, yeah, thank you very much.
God bless you.
That's why I get you are still my sister, Rita. I don't hold anything against you. But if like that one make you vex, I am sorry. You said and so you fight for us. You do this one for us. You do everything. My dear, everybody on this media, where they do want to help for you. If you want to fight for person, you come at home fight. On live video fighting, while making money every month, you are still enjoying it. The money where you make all this year, you don't call us, come give me one or anything. Nobody even talk that one. Huh? So my sister, not vex. I'm sorry. I don't feel do one. I make I don't do one that time. Thank you. So babe. Pepper. So give me thank you, sir. Imagine for songs as my wife's songs already rich. People they release song. See, people they release song 2 days, they'll put copyright. Yes. Since 2017 they come. You know put copyright, they don't chop all the songs. Even the copyright now they craft. Not be say that strike, you know affect your page. You get 60%, maybe person get 40%. You not figure, not be say, yes, you not go reach 100 euro. You go say 40 euro. You know they. So why the quarrel?
But most of the SR song where they play also. Now how many times they even they plan for live video?
Thank you. How many
Many
times?
times. Me, I know even how many times now, all of us. Let's
Wait,
just be
sister.
realistic now. Why the even
No.
the matter even become an issue? How many times?
And okay, oh, my talk. Hold on. Wait, may I even talk one thing? Because everybody, just come, they come, one can take glory, 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 glory. The song that Oyemegbeme Seven is almost 3 million. How many times live video presenter don't play? People where they play song, they plan for YouTube. Inside house, they play and they watch them. Okay, small. Then people will come out. This one will come. You can't see people will say this one. There are some things where you know warrant to insult anybody. There are some things where you not even reach to cause problem. As you talk, say you don't hear and I say nobody. Rita, if not true, say we really carry you call from Victor. Say see or me can't talk. This swear we swear today. It's very very okay. But if you not call, my dear, you say nobody. So I leave it to you, because you be woman to woman talk to her. Wait till insult you.
You understand? I greet all of now, my people. Now well done.
Yes.
That the TV don't come out here. So make them. Yes, I greet all of now. Welcome. Now good evening. Open a day, okay. I will be starting from one person talk. Just I say our music fair day free. So when we come, they put copyright now. Now that's why I come they come out now. Now I come they affect people. Okay, that is true. That's true. But our music fair day free for how many years where I don't they sing? Now since last year, I started to put copyright and not be even all. I they select and they put not be all my even as we they talk now, not be all my hip hop copyright day. And they select and they put. Then if you want use person's song, say I go play one musician song for this my live video today. Normally, you suppose off your copyright, whatever. You suppose off am. You know why you go off am? Because you know say you want play person to party for that video where you want do. You know say you want play person music. Just for that one way for one play person music, so off am. Off the copyright. So that you already know say if you put copyright, I felt tell una that day I match am for stage. My gold earring. As I hear they jump for stage, they dance. The thing fall for my ear, I just match am. So as far as I gold, I no fit throw away am. I see they use am. I will first enjoy am before I sell am. So that's how it be. So you suppose off am so that it not go affect the owner of the song. If the owner of the song one can use his or her own song. Then on the other hand, if you can decide not to off am because of say you no want make another person or another co-presenter carry the video, now make you put copyright. If the owner of the song come tell you say share revenue with me, you go share revenue. Yes. Or if you no want share revenue, you go comot the song or you go delete the video. That is it. So since it don't say when we leave our song free, now we come dey put copyright. Una suppose just accept am. Say okay, this video when I do it don't take. So it be like say this person don't put copyright for music. You go just you know they make money from the video again. So you go just accept and not be even problem to your page. You go just accept the copyright like that so that now gather they share the thing. Then music video where people say it don't take where you do. It don't take where you do and not be now. Now they tell you say the owner say now he gets out say make you share revenue. What you go come make you no put hand share revenue. Then if that's still new one, you know what share revenue. They go tell you say replace the video. You feel replace it with another song. Replace the audio. You feel replace
that person you are sick.
Leave that one. You feel replace them.
So for your property.
Check it did table there. Then you see this music of a thing where you talk just now. Person where that and just now say now automatic. Since our video fell free since now we they put on and make I can't they enter copyright for everybody job. And now me want explain one thing. Babe, not they talk, you might for not forget what I want to talk. music where person play, person go studio, go suffer play am. He come put an art for free. Everybody they enjoy am. Somebody help me pay my papa part 1 or 2. One and not distract me. Now don't they talk? I don't they forget what I be want talk. No, now the one at the top they make me they forget.
No, I hold on. Rita say, how can I take copyright live video? Where Rita, my sister.
Yeah, right.
You go right out for your page. You say how you take copyright video, live video where I do for my page. May I bring proof, my sister? As I tell you something, my sister, this is the proof. This was a live video that was done. Now let me tell you what you do. You go download my live video, you cut my live video, you go put on for your page, claim the copyright.
Now so you take do, and so you take do all of them.
All my video.
Now so you take the do one. You go cut from the live video.
We know the quarter.
You go cut from the live video. You go come maybe you go put something join up for you. You go come upload that. Then you go
hold on.
Copyright.
Even some videos where my mama say my first wife page. 3 of the video you still release them. The proof still there. Yes. Yeah. You release 3 of the video. I never even know say that one I heard business you call it do. Yeah. See, this was the clip. Yeah. Dr. Queen Rita, I don't know TV released the video. Their video on your they call and say their video. Facebook will call and say that your video. Say you release your video, like say they do me favor.
So now live video. Live video as I sit down so now I dey discuss, I dey talk the live video. Now you know say you play person music for the live video where you do. You know say you play music for person video where you do. You put copyright. Then when me want to do live video, me can play the song. They'll come tell me say this live video so the music when I play put not be my own. The people will get the live video, they don't claim her. Then you now when you say you know say you play Lady of Song music for your live video and you see her because definitely Facebook go write you say your job, your own job, where person be carry the money come because if they pay you, it go show say this also job like this, not this money for come. It go more show say your job from another place where person carry the money they come to you. Now they claim say now music now when you play now they give us the copyright. There are so many videos where we do where we say we not even play music where get copyright. We not play the music where we they talk about so ordinary video where we just do. Then how come you go come and say you claim her? Now we not play musical. We not play the music put. We not play anything music. Maybe we just come out to talk. How come you go come out for your own say now you get the job say you claim the video? How it happen? Then live